Hey guys, in this video, we'll learn how to create invoice using Novo. If you don't have a Novo account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also share some bonus resources in the description below, to help you grow and manage your business efficiently. Let's dive right in. If you already have an account on Novo, go to the website novo.co. Once you're on the website, you will see an option that says Log In. Click on Log In. Then, on the fields provided, enter your email and password. Once the email and password is entered, click on Log In. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option that says Invoices. Then on this page, you will see an option that says Create Invoice. Click on Create Invoice. First, you'll need to either find or add the client you're sending the invoice to. If the client isn't on your list yet, click on the option that says Add a new client. Then, on the Side tab, enter all the client details such as their name and email address. You could also add their phone number, state, city, and zip code, but it is only optional. After entering all the necessary information, click on Add Client. Next, fill out the invoice details such as the invoice number, when do you wish to send the invoice, the due date, and a note, but it is only optional. After that is the line items. In the fields provided, enter the item name, price and quantity. If you are billing for more than one item, just click on Add Item, then repeat the process for each additional entry. You could also add a discount, shipping, or tax. Then, select the payment option for your client. Click on the checkbox beside the payment method you wish to accept. You can also set up payment reminders to remind you client or attach a file if needed. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Send to deliver the invoice. That's how you create an invoice using Novo. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.